How to verify age on Vimeo. So once you go ahead and open the Vimeo app, you should be able to get this option. So you must verify your age on this account to use Vimeo. Just go ahead and press on the verify option, of course. And once you do that, you're gonna have to verify yourself with a selfie or with a valid ID. So if you verify with a selfie, you'll take a photo of your face, your facial features will be analyzed to estimate your age, and your photo and other associated info will be deleted immediately. Then just go ahead and press on continue. So in this section, it's gonna be asking you to get ready to take your photo. Then just go ahead and press on continue again, and it's gonna process the image that you sent or the selfie. So after a few seconds, this will pop out that will confirm that your age has been verified. Then just go ahead and press onto the go to Vimeo option to go back to the app itself. But that is pretty much the process on how you verify your age on Vimeo. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.